A fascinating finding about yawning has come from a thorough animal study. Vertebrates with larger brains and more neurons have longer lasting yawns. Researchers identified strong positive associations between the length of an animal's yawn and the size of its brain after compiling data on 1291 distinct yawns via zoo visits and web recordings, including a total of 55 mammal species and 46 bird species.